Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. So, welcome to our lesson number 171. So, let's start with this session. In our previous session, we showed you some very important difference between the terminate and deactivate, and also how to populate the data in the list box. I'm loading the file, showing you, first of all, the reminder of the session that being a developer, we should have some standard practices. We should stick to it. The more we stick to it, it makes our work simplified. It bears fruits to us, and it becomes useful for us more, right? Such as the thing. An example is just an example that you follow some sequence of steps you do in your day-to-day development practices, right? So my first thing we do is that we add a lesson. Okay, this is the 13th December lesson number 171, and this is the part 3 of the third. Now let's see what we have been doing. We were making 42. This is the 40 sale order which is already existing. And when we click on an entry, for example, this one, $92, it enables you the discount and the change of the sale. So the changes can happen in the discount, right? Also, you can change the product also. So that's a very exceptional thing, which we will think about it later. First, our motive is to handle this thing, which is the discount and the upcoming cost, and further the a calculation factor. Okay, so we have put a stop in it. As soon as we work, we do some discount changes in here. Say, we give a $3 discount in here. Okay, so it is going to stop you, okay, and telling you that it is now going to implement, right? And there are certain things. If the discount is blank, it is not blank. If it is blank, it is going to be exited. Okay, and also, or we can put in also, or discount is equal to 0. Even if the discount is equal to 0, in both cases, it should exit. Otherwise, it will perform the calculation, right? So this amount, the calculated amount, is going to be updated, right? Okay. So let's see what is it doing. Pressing F8. That's right. Now amount is being calculated. Okay. So F8, the amount is being changed. That's right. That's right. Okay. So the amount in the box is now $3 less. That is 89. That's fine. So far, so good. Okay. Now it has to bring the change in here. Okay. So since the list box is related to the Astro View table, so the changes are going to be placed in here. Okay. So let's expect that it is doing the right thing. Yeah, LR is at the moment 0. So pressing F8 will bring the LR. LR is 3. So on the third row of the sheet, it is going to put this change in there. Okay. As soon as it is done, so we expect the changes to be reflected in the list box, right? Then it is going to perform some sort of this total discount calculation, right? Total discount calculations are to be performed because since the changes have occurred, so the total discount have to be reached. If you see the total discount, it is for the moment it is different, so it should appear as soon as it completes this process. Huh? So let's put a breakpoint here so that we see how does it do. Total discount is at the moment, is in a start, it is 0, total amount is 0, and now it is going to start from the as you view that and totaling are accumulated, right? As soon as it is done, it is going to write the total discount, okay? So now it is going to write the total discount first, okay? Okay, let's press F8 here. I put F8 here, press F8. So it has written the total discount 3 here, that's right, okay? Okay, now the total amount is being written. Now it is at the moment here, it will be, okay, the total amount is supposed to be 92. So why is it coming total amount? The total amount was starting, it started with 0 total amount, and then it added total amount equal to total amount plus whatever is the amount, okay, in the G. So this has to be seen that why this is not functioning well. So there, the problem is apparently lying in the SO view sheet and in the range G, right? So if we start it again, we can start it again from here, right? We make total discount 0, fair enough, F8, right? Now it is starting from the B3. What is the discount? Discount is 0, right? Discount is 0, and the total amount, yeah, the total amount is uh, for the moment it is 0, and then it is going to be added as a function of this. So let's see F8, press F8. So this is wrong, right? This is where we need correction. So the column G is supposed to be amount, right? So this is 250. Oh, 250 is that. So no, that's right. Okay, it is now adding. That's fine. It is adding and it is doing okay. So this is right. So the total amount is now added as 250. The 250 is added, then 220 will be added, then 89 is going to be added, right? Okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. So let's make it. And now the total discount is 3. That's right. And total amount, which is at the moment here. So the total amount is this, not the, this is the net amount. Huh? Okay. And so we will write the net amount is to be net amount dot net amount, I see. Yeah, net amount is equal to total discount, sorry, total amount hmm, minus total discount. That's it. So this is going to work, I hope, and we will click here and keeping a watch on an eye on it. Removing this return. So yes, so you had 2559 was the total amount less the $3 discount. That makes you the net amount 556. That's fair enough. Okay, so we run it. So the thing is updated and the totals are updated and the discount which was done is corrected. Okay. For example, you give $5 here. Okay, so 5 plus 3 will become 8, and for so this net amount should become 551. Okay, so I click in here. Okay, and we see what happens here. We write what? We write $5 here. Okay, we press here and we execute it. So 5 is 8, 8. Okay, and 5 and 8. So the total amount, yes, total amount is now 554. 554. Previously, it was 559. Hmm? So the total amount shouldn't have been changed. Let me check it again, and we do it right now. So, Alhamdulillah, I have fixed the issue. What I did is, if we change, if we, for example, wish to make the changes in this discount, let's say $5 here, it's going to stop you to show you that I have removed the condition in here that the discount is equal to 0. Okay, so that's why did I remove this? This is a different topic because sometimes you want to waive off, means revert back the discount to if you have zeroed a discount and you want to give apply some discount. So in that contain, that's why I have refused. I have excluded the condition. Previously, I have wrote or discount is equal to 0, right? So this is problematic. So I have refused it. I have excluded it. Okay, I have excluded it, right, to include this one. Okay. Okay, so I'm giving $5 discount in here. Now it is going to be 8. You see, it has become 8, and the total amount was 562 and 554. Yeah, 562 minus 8 is 554. That's right. Okay, so 5 and 3 are 8. That's right, and the totals are correctly showing up, right? One thing more I have done is that, for example, if I I remove it is that I have corrected this formula as well, the total amount formula. The total amount is actually not the column G, it was previously column G, that is the net amount after the discount, right? So before the discount means this is the quantity into the unit price. This is the unit price. Quantity into the unit price. Whatever the amount comes, that has to be added into the total amount, which is in the beginning, it is 0. Okay, so this is going to get here. And this should not change. It should remain in all cases. Okay, the changes will appear in the discount and the net amount. I have added a combination. Net amount is equal to total amount minus total discount, right? So this is how it is being done. And we press enter here, for example, right? So this is working now. Okay, I hope you understood the point that in order to bring our changes inside this, we got to apply the changes to its source. This list box has a source. What is the source? We close this, we show you the source is here. The source is SO view sheet. It will be displayed. Let me go. Yeah, this is the SO view sheet. So we apply whatever the changes we do, they are going to be applied in here. Okay, and then they are recalculated, and that's it. Okay, so we remove this formula. I think this formula is no longer required. Okay, so let's run it again, right? And we see, say, 42. Okay, so since we have not yet updated our entries, that's why it is bringing the original entries of the set. Okay, we give say $5 discount in here. We press enter, right? And we also remove this stopping so that since we have already checked it, it's working. Okay. So the $5 which we have entered in the serial number 1, the $5 are appearing, and the total discount is here. 562 is the total, and 562 minus 5 is 557. Correctly calculated. Right, that's right. Okay, let's give say $4 discount in here. So 5 plus 4 will become 9. So it is 9 here, 5 plus 4, and 562 minus 9 is 553. That's right. Okay, so let's try changing 37. This is how we should check and verify that our system is behaving as we desired. Okay, let's press enter. So this is the thing, and if we want to give a discount in here, we say we give the discount $10 here. Let's enter. So that $10 makes it the net amount 670. Original amount was 680 minus 10 is 670. Okay, thank you very much for joining us, and see you in our next video.